rear axle.
I've got to be careful about hurting you. Joys. Joys.
Oh, it's quite nice having it lifted.
So if we stick this on top.
Is that like an A-frame?
No, that's separate.
Oh, right.
So this is your strain bar.
Okay, yeah.
In theory, when you finish it, you could have 3 ton of weight in it. If you were just trying to pull it off on the, you're going to be bending all the front axle.
Yeah,
This
unless
is
you've
linked-
got that, yeah.
This is linked to the front and back axles, so when you pull it, it
The whole
brings
thing's
them both.
connected, yeah.
Brilliant.
That's a hammerite job. And this is your centre bar.
Centre bar for the
This is
pivot for the
The
steering.
pivot, so that's the top.
Yeah,
So you put, basically it goes through,
yeah,
and then on these nuts, that's where you have when your strainer bar goes,
yeah,
which is like that one.
yeah. Makes sense.
Yeah, as I say, it's just a big kid's Meccano, really.
Same
You
as
enjoy
cars.
that.
Same as cars.
60 kilos?
Yeah.
Wow. Are they the 32-inch ones?
These are.
Yeah.
If you're a 40, you're going to get 120.
Blimey.
Open it and it's putting it there. Yeah.
And the smaller ones, are they 42?